Plaza 106 would like to welcome you to live a long, healthy life at the Longevity Project. This is the only project in India with a 360-degree focus on wellness. Plaza 106 caters to all aspects of wellness, such as physical, social, spiritual and wellness through nature. But financial wellness is at the heart of it. The project offers you a unique payment plan, the CAP Secure 50/50 Health Card Plan. This plan has been designed to ensure that your investment is safe and also appreciates with time. The mixed land usage of the project gives you the freedom to have multi-purpose usage of your units, including for commercial purposes, resulting in better returns. Apart from being a great investment, Plaza 106 is the only wellness, lifestyle and retail hub in Sector 106 Gurugram. The distinct site plan ensures physical and spiritual wellness for the inhabitants. The healing gardens at Plaza 106 have been designed with meticulous detail, ensuring all seasons abound in color, flowers and fruit. Whereas the organic farms grow non-toxic vegetables. The tree-lined boulevard is the spiritual core of the project and gives you a chance to immerse yourself in nature. Here, the 1,000 steps to wellness lead you from the buzzing plaza to quiet, contemplative corners in the healing gardens and end at the Unity Temple. The shadow analysis ensures that a majority of the public spaces are in shade during the hours when there is maximum sunlight. All units have large balconies to ensure optimum sunlight. If you happen to feel under the weather, there is a proposed health and wellness center to take care of you. Relax in the club. Take a swim in the pool. Or head to the branded business center for all your work needs. To make your living more self-contained, we offer you a retail plaza, shopping mall, and a Cineplex on-site. Even when you need to step out, Plaza 106 is strategically nestled at the Dwarka-Gurugram Expressway, very close to the IGI airport and a proposed metro corridor. It is in proximity to commercial sectors, providing an excellent catchment which translates into higher capital appreciation. This unique project is brought to you by Viridian Red, the name behind 13 World Trade Centers in India. Powered by Red OS. The project is RERA compliant and Plaza 106 is nearing completion. The facilities at Plaza 106 are available on a la carte basis, managed by WTC Noida. With all this, your pride of ownership will be unmatched. The Longevity Project is the right choice for your investment as it delivers you a lifetime of happiness, health, wealth and harmony. Come, invest in life.